Hey, how you doing, people? Welcome back. Stu's back at me. I got this 2006 Honda Civic. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do the starter motor. All right, so come with me. Come with me. Let's get it. Stu, boom. Shout outs to subscribers, viewers. Love you. No Diddy, no oil, full synthetic only. Yeah, me.
All the tools you are about to see in this video, you can get them. How? In the description box, you will see the name and the link. For any tool you like, just click on the link. They come from Amazon. You can get them in 1 or 2 days. Also, you will get up to a 15% discount on some tools. Plus, you will see a picture of the tool with its price during the video. Get the right tool for the job now.
Let's get it. As you know, this is an old car, old Honda. And before you disconnect the battery, the radio works with a pass code. Make sure you have that code, okay? Before you disconnect the battery. If you don't care at all, do whatever you want, I'm saying. But you need that pass code for the radio, okay? So where that pass code is, usually comes in your driver manual, or it's like you see it around here. There's like a 6 digits, 4 digits code. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you have that, okay? If you don't have it at all, you're gonna have to call the dealership, give your VIN number of the car, of course, and they're gonna give it to you. Okay? Pretty much. Alright, let's get it. 10mm for battery clamp, light soap. Should be good. Let's go to the bottom now, because the starter is at the bottom. Yeah. We're here where everything is beautiful. That's the starter right there. Hope you can see that. This guy right here. That guy. So to get to that, I'm gonna have to remove this exhaust pipe hose. This one right here. Okay. Ooh. Hopefully it doesn't break. Jeez. Jeez. But 2 here. Then you have 3 here. Let's get it. Alright, first, I want to do this one right here. And this one. You just come through here, like so. The green one. Push the clip on top. Then push it up. It's gonna come up. Then we have 15mm right here. And another one. Hopefully you see it right here. Okay. Now another thing. You see this bracket for the manifold? You want to remove that. There's one here, one here. Okay. All right, you're gonna have to remove the tire. You're gonna come through here. You see my extension right here? It's gonna be a 14mm, right? It's gonna go all the way all the way to there. You see it, right? Yeah, right there. 14 millimeter, right there, right? My flashlight keep dying. But now you know though. Here's tension right here. Okay. Well, the other one's gonna be the same too. Okay. I'm using this type, not this one. I'm using this type. Kind of give you some type of leverage to bend, curve, the socket. You know what I'm saying? So instead of going straight, this one, it can go in a little bit some type of angle. So I have it like that, like a long extension, 3/8, this one. Then I'll pull it out. But here it is, okay? From here. This is my setup. This one's like at 18 inches, 12 inches. This one's 3 inches, 3 inches, 1 inch, 2 inch, and the shadow 14 millimeter socket. This one. You see that? You see how it goes in curve? This is the bolt that I hold the goes on top of the starter. Okay. This one goes at the bottom, way smaller. All right. Now we're gonna pull out the starter. Wish me luck. Let me tell you something. Hopefully you can see. Remove this bracket. Okay. Then there's another one. This one. Okay. Then pull the starter towards you. This is the right here. Now you can disconnect the ground and the power. Okay. All right. That's the starter right here. 1 second. So this is the old one. You can pull it out through here. Through here. Okay. Um you're gonna play with it through here like this. You're gonna flip it here. Okay. Pull it out from here. That's why you need to remove the tire. You know. Here it is. The old one and the new one. Now the installation goes in reverse, right? Pretty much. Let's get it. Here it goes. Put it through here. Like that on it. Now here we're gonna do the connections. Okay, then we're gonna flip it. We're gonna turn it. All right, we didn't have to remove the exhaust pipe. That's a good thing. Save us some time. Uh, Now, just come here, reconnect the power terminal, the power cable to the battery, tie it, snug it, and start the car. Don't be surprised if the radio is not working. It's gonna work though, but in order to listen to the radio and all that, you need the passcode. Okay. Yeah, I know this is another problem. I'm gonna leave this for another video. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, share buttons. And um, shout outs to the viewers, subscribers. Love you. What would I do without you? Post. Um, if you want to support the channel, right below the video, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Uh, you do that, click on it, click on the super thanks button. It's going to ask you for the tip. And I would appreciate if you do that. You know, it takes some time and a lot of effort to make these videos. So keep that in mind. All right. I'm going to leave it right here. Thank you for watching. It's me, it's Stu Kaboom, out, clicking out.